Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Costco membership online or in store. So first of all, in order to verify it online, you need to sign in into your Costco.com account. So when you sign in, you are going to see your profile icon here on the top. So you need to simply just click on the option of account. Then you need to look for the option of account details. Now, if your membership number is not listed, then you need to enter your membership number to the account details. Afterwards, you need to just simply click on the option of verify membership. So when you are basically landed on the verification page, you need to enter your membership number, your first name, your last name, your zip code, and then you need to basically give answer to some of the verification questions as well. So once you complete your verification successfully, your Costco membership will be connected to your online account. In order to verify it in store, you need to just simply visit to the membership counter at the local Costco. You need to bring your Costco membership card and a valid photo ID. Now, a Costco employee can verify your membership and can help you complete the account verification if you are unable to verify it online. So after your verification or the membership is verified, you can access your membership information and use the features such as the digital membership card via Costco application. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.